All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next problem asks us to create our own function, and they want us to start off with the log base 2 of x. So f of x is equal to log base 2 of x, and then they want us to subtract 1. And that 1 is from the entire function, not just from the x. So I don't put it in parens. It's the entire function minus 1. And they do want me to sketch this and then talk about the domain and the vertical asymptote. However, before we sketch it, let's make a observation here. I can't put this in my calculator as log base 2 of x. So I'm going to use the change of base formula, and I'm going to convert this part into natural log of x divided by the natural log of 2, and then minus 1. So that's what we're going to type into the calculator. Okay? So when I pull up my calculator, turn it on, hit y equals, make sure I have zoom 6. I'm good. Okay, y equals the natural log of x, close parens, divided by the natural log of 2, close parens, okay? And then minus 1. And we're going to hit graph. And what I come out with is a graph that looks roughly like this, okay? The most important thing about this problem was realizing two things. The minus 1 did not go with the x, and that to graph this, the change of base formula came into play, okay? So when I draw my picture, I see that my the line x equals 0. The line x equals 0 is my asymptote, my vertical asymptote, and the graph looks like it's doing something like this. Okay? So, for our domain, when I scan from left to right, I have everything, all reals greater than 0, of course not including 0, and my vertical asymptote, asymptote. I always love that P in there. The vertical asymptote is the line x equals 0, which is another way of naming the y-axis. And we're done.